What is actually the role of EDI in the SCM? Before we going further, it is better to understand what is the meaning of these two keywords. First, what is supply chain management or SCM? SCM is the management of raw materials from suppliers, then send it to the manufacturer for production process, then it goes to the warehouse or distribution center, then it end up to the end customers. And now, what is EDI? If you look for the definition of EDI, which is an acronym of Electronic Data Interchange, it is a computer-to-computer exchange of business documents in a standard electronic format between business partners. To really understand this, consider business processes such as purchase order that is exchanged without EDI. The buyer generates purchase order, then they print it and send it to the suppliers, and suppliers enter order into internal systems, then prints the invoice and mail it back to the buyers, and then the buyers enter the invoice into internal system for processing. Although the purchase order is started electronically, along the way it may be printed to paper and then be manually typed into the receiving part of the business system. There will be a lot of paper and people involvement. It is more complicated, especially when the business has different types of business system. It is easy to see the inefficiency and the potential inaccuracy of these manual steps, especially when the data must be repeated. EDI allows businesses with two different business systems to use common language to talk to each other. By automating the process, the manual action is minimized and the potential mistake can greatly be reduced, and if then eliminated, EDI can flow straight to the documents to the appropriate application of the receiver computers. The information must have the characteristics to be useful, such as accuracy, accessible timely manner, and information must be the right kind. Information is very important in the supply chain management because the end product is produced and distributed at the right quantities to the right location and at the right time in order to get the highest satisfying service level from the customers. Here are some of the challenges in the supply chain management. First, too much product complexity and specification. Second, too much slow moving and also ineffective matching supply with demands. So, by using the EDI, it can help to solve your SCM problems. First, in the case of really big demanding, EDI will tell you how much inventory you have on hand. Second, reduce the order to cash cycle time by more than 20%, improving the business partner transaction and relationship. Third, it will reduce the cost. Fourth, getting more accurate information by reducing the manual entry as people involvement is reduced, so it will reduce the human error and will improve the data quality. Fifth, EDI can speed up the business cycle and exchange the transaction in minutes instead of days. And the last one, it will reduce the trade-off. So, what does EDI do? Actually, a lot. Thank you for watching. See you.